Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a review of this cute Givenchy small moon cutout logo canvas hobo bag. That's a mouthful. So if that sounds interesting to you, then just keep watching. So the small moon cutout logo canvas hobo bag is such a practical, everyday, adorable bag, in my opinion, anyway. It's super versatile in the sense you can just grab it and go. I feel like you can dress it up or dress it down. So if you wanted to, you could easily wear it this way. Just a gorgeous, classy, black, simple bag that you can either dress up or down. I feel like if you wanted to do maybe a date night with this bag, you could easily put this gorgeous chain on this side and go. If you're into jeans and a t-shirt, this side would be super cute and stylish. If you wanted to add a little bling to the situation, there you go. Like I said, a super cute, super versatile, very practical bag for pretty much every day. I have really been enjoying this bag. I feel like it's a great size for me to run errands with. I've been doing my Christmas shopping with this bag. I didn't want anything too heavy when I'm walking around the mall for hours trying to do all the things and carrying other bags. So this has been really great just to pop on my shoulder. It is not heavy. It fits all the essentials. I will show you that in just a minute. But first, I want to give you the specs of this really cute, stylish bag. So this is 5 inches in height. It is 10.5 inches in width, which I love. I don't want a bag too small. And then it is 3 inches in depth. It has the most beautiful soft leather that wraps around the bottom. So it's a nice sturdy structure. The canvas material right here that allows for you to fit all the things. It allows for a little give. It's not so structured that you can't make all the things fit if you need to. And it's just a really nice silhouette. I think it's super pretty, structured, but not too structured, if that makes sense. So it does come with the beautiful white lettering on the front. The font is beautiful. It says Givenchy Paris. And again, it does have a canvas front as well as a canvas back. And then, as I said, nice leather strip goes all the way around the bag, which is so nice. Really nice quality. So this bag has a great leather shoulder strap. It is adjustable. It does have adjustments, and you can easily adjust it for your shoulder. Also has great gold hardware, and it does have Givenchy embossed in there, which is beautiful. Has a really nice gold zipper pull, which I am a huge fan of. It does have Givenchy embossed, and Givenchy is known for their really nice and smooth zippers. This one is absolutely stunning. Really smooth, really nice, and I love a good chunky zipper pull. So it does come with this beautiful kind of 3D chain, and it does have the G's throughout for Givenchy. It's really, really pretty. Like I said, you can use this leather strap as your shoulder bag, or you can actually remove this. And then you can just use this strap if you don't like the leather look. You want to have a little bit dressier look, you can just use this strap. Again, if you wanted to jazz up the Givenchy, you can with this gorgeous chain. Or if you want a more simplistic look, and maybe you're not that into logos on your bag, then this side is stunning. And for that date night, you're going to want to add a little bling. So it's just a really good bag. It really does fit all the things. So this bag normally retails for $1,390 as it's a Givenchy bag. However, I picked it up on a sale for, I want to say about $800. So saved myself a good amount of cash there. And I just really think it is so beautiful. So this bag is made in Italy, and I love the brand Givenchy. I love their designs. They're so chic and elegant. This has a really nice sort of logo right there. Just says Givenchy, made in Italy. Has this huge compartment, and it is a black lining, so keep that in mind. It may not be as easy to find your items, although it is small, so I feel like you probably aren't going to have much of an issue with it. I haven't. Of course, I try to put lighter items in my bag. It does fit a full-size wallet. This is my Louis Vuitton Clements wallet. This is in the Demier Azure print. And I just feel like a lighter wallet is so easy to find, and it fits perfectly in there. I'm a full-size wallet kind of girl, so I love that it fits a full-size wallet. Next, I'm going to add my Coach little catch-all, kind of a little wristlet, but I use it more for a little pouch. So in here, I just have my clear eyes because, you know, this time of year, I need it. I have this crocus, I believe it's Chantecaille, and it is so pretty. It's super creamy, and it's the most beautiful pop of color. I just feel like sometimes I need a really good pop of color lipstick, and that is subtle but still bright. And then I did pick up at the mall the other day a hand sanitizer, and it's in the Fresh Sparkling Snow scent, right in time for the holidays. And I also have, this is the Versace perfume called Dylan Purple. I have this in the full size. It's that good, guys. It smells divine, and the bottle is gorgeous. So next I have a more subtle lipstick. This is the Chanel lipstick, and this is Illusion, and it's number 206. This is definitely a more neutral shade. I always have a neutral lipstick as well as a pop of color, just because you never know how you're gonna feel that day. And then I also have in this little pocket right here, I have a bunch of these little Mucinex instant sore throat lozenges, just because it is that time of the year again. All the colds and flus and sniffles. So you never know when you're going to need that. So in this goes as well. So you can see those two decent sized leather goods, you still have plenty of room. And then I have a card holder for some additional cards that I like to always keep with me in here. I also have a Prada hand cream. I feel very dry this time of year. My skin goes downhill fast when the heat starts coming on. My AirPods fit in here just seamlessly, which is great. I have my car key. I'm just going to throw that in there. Of course, it does fit a cell phone easily. I'm going to put that in there. And I also have my phone charger because, you know, you can't leave home without that. And it just zips up. Fits a lot of things. And I just feel like it is the perfect size errand bag. Like I said, shopping, running to the mall, holds all your daily essentials. It's a really cute bag. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this review and what fits in this bag. And if you did, please go ahead and like it. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and thank you so much for those of you who have subscribed. If you haven't yet, please go ahead and do that. I would love to see you in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.